Are you looking for the best dash cam for your car? Then this video will help you out in choosing the best one. All of the best dash cams record what's happening on the road ahead as you drive, but many will do so much more than that. Some offer driver aids to alert if you are lane drifting or when you get too close to a vehicle in front. And some can even contact emergency services with your location in the event of an accident. If you want more service, you have to buy a more advanced dash cam. But there are dash cams which comes at a budget price also. A simple budget dash cam will provide a basic level of security and is way better than no protection at all. But while basic dash cam just cover the front of a vehicle showing the view through the widescreen, some come in pairs and either as an alternative kit or as an upgrade with a dash cam front and rear to record what's going on behind as well. In this video, I'm going to cover 5 amazing dash cams that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which dash cam did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new dash cam, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Thinkware F70, the best budget dash cam. Thinkware is one of the top brands in the dash cam sector, and the F70 is one of its most compact and affordable options to date. This forwards facing camera features a 2.1 MP CMOS sensor that records the full HD footage at 30 frames per second. The lens is 140 degrees, which is not the widest we have seen, but it's still roughly par for the course in the budget segment. Like most dash cams, there is no battery. Instead, a super capacitor holds enough charge to ensure footage is saved and the camera switches off correctly when it is unplugged or the car is switched off. Additional features include a parking mode and there is a port for adding Thinkware's external GPS antenna. Buy this amazing budget dash cam for its wide 140-degree lens. Lack of display makes for a compact design. Links are provided in the description. Nexar Beam, simple setup dash cam that you can control with your smartphone. If you are looking for a quick, easy to use and simple dash cam, then the Nexar Beam GPS is a fantastic option. It's super easy and intuitive to set up and works extremely well with a connected smartphone app. The ability to see your full drives and create clips from them with the easy to use app is also fantastic and great for quickly finding exactly what you need. There is no built-in screen on the dash cam itself, but because of this, it is a small and discreet on your windshield. For those who use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly, however, it's a shame that you can't use them both together. You can still use the camera but without the added functionality that the phone brings. So for that reason, it's not recommended for that type of users. Buy this amazing dash cam for its good value for money, easy to set up, links up with your smartphone. NextBase 622GW, the best 4K dash cam that gives you precise location in a crisis. This is a big brother of the NextBase 522GW, which was a great dash cam, and it's the best choice if you want a 4K dash cam without the need to have the dashboard device hardwired into your vehicle. The setup in the video quality is noticeable and there is added feature of support for what 3 words. The engine is global system that you can use to give your precise location to the first responders by just giving them 3 words. This is a proven lifesaver. With an easy to use app that connects your smartphone to the 622GW over its own Wi-Fi network, you can see all your clips with ease and download those you want to save or review. Buy this amazing dash cam for its 4K video quality, which is amazing, integrated GPS for location and speed data, Alexa voice assistant built-in, emergency SOS with the what 3 words location support. The disappointments with this dash cam is it is bigger, making installation tricky. If your car is small, if you don't have the space to accommodate it gets difficult to install and use it. Garmin DashCam Mini 2. Best dashcam if you want something small and simple. The Garmin DashCam Mini 2 might just be about the smallest dashcam on the market today, roughly the size of a car key fob. The camera records in 1080p Full HD resolution with the HDR, and it is easy to set up. Has a equally compact windscreen mount, and even features a voice control system. It's the perfect compact dashcam. Due to its size, there is no battery, but it is powered by micro USB cable and a 12-volt lighter socket adapter with a pair of USB sockets, so we could charge our phone while powering the dashcam. If you want the high quality Full HD video with HDR from the incredibly compact design, you really should look no further. The voice controls are also very good. The mount is small and simple to use, and you can even pair up to 4 of these cameras together for synchronized recording right around your vehicle. Buy this amazing dashcam for its tiny design, 1080p Full HD, can record to micro SD memory card easily. Disappointments: no battery and no screen. Garmin DashCam 67W, best dashcam overall. The Garmin DashCam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alert you to parking lot pranks. The Garmin DashCam 67W is a truly excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use, with a good set of useful features and records top quality video. When you use it, you will love its feature. Its super simple installation is amazing, and the intuitive voice control features will impress everyone. It is not the cheapest dashcam, but it's a top-notch one that does everything without being needlessly complicated. Mounting system is super simple, as I said before, and it's a must buy and deserves the #1 spot. Buy this amazing dashcam for its compact design, useful voice control, HDR video quality, and magnetic mount. The disappointments are not much, but the lens is wide but can't distort, and at the pricier end of the market, so many can usability is more, the features are more, but the thing is it costs much more, also double than that of many of the dashcam we have listed in this list. So these are the 5 amazing dashcams that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.